peeps, it's Elisa with Closet Confidence. I am a wardrobe stylist and stylist with Stella and Dot, and I wanted to come on real quick to show you a quick tip. Okay, so I recently helped a client beginning of March, before all the craziness went on, and he was trying to roll up his sleeves. I have met with female clients too, and he didn't like that it was like too neat. Okay, so here is a different way to roll up your sleeve. You pull this up as far as you want, and then you see this down here, then you fold that over. Okay, and if you don't want it to go that high, then you pull it down a little bit more. So let's say you only want it to go halfway up your arm. Okay, so then you just fold it over. Okay, so I'm going to show you again. Hey, Michelle. So instead of folding it perfectly like this, what you're going to do is fold it up to where you want it to be. I'm going to back up just a little bit, and then take the bottom half and fold it up and over. So that's another way to fold up your sleeves. Now, I wouldn't normally wear this on top of this, but I just wanted to show you as a demo. Let me know if you have tips and or topics you'd like me to cover about your closet, about editing, about putting outfits together. Post a picture, post a question in the comments below. Check out my website, closet-confidence.com. Again, that's closet-confidence.com. I would love to get your feedback. I just had the website redone, so I'd love to know what you think. And if you wouldn't mind, I'd love it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get it up and running, and I need more subscribers in order to get the name Closet Confidence. So thanks so much for watching. I will post the link for YouTube below. Have a great afternoon. I hope you're staying safe and healthy at home during this pandemic. I'll talk to you later. Bye.